what's going on, everybody? I just got these booster packs today. I got 3 booster packs in this blister pack, and I got this really cool Pokemon pin. It's upside down for you guys. Yeah, it's a Mega Mewtwo Y. Or X, my bad. So let's get on with the packs. Alright, first card we have is a Woobat, a Rufflet, a Chespin, another Chespin, a Zora, a Bayham, and a Meloetta Hollow for the rare. It's a pretty good start. Mega Mewtwo Y, yeah, X to X to X. Ralts, Swindon, Noibat, Skittle, Zora again, Ralts, and a Noivern. Non-hollow. Come on, last pack. Let's do this. Cubone, Noibat, Pikachu, Magnemite, Snubbull, Piplup, and a Raichu. Seaking, Starmie, Curla, and the code card. So, overall, decent. So yeah, I'm going to show off the cards. Ralts, Zora, Skittle, Noibat, Swindon, Ralts, Noivern, Reserve Ticket, Dedaddy, I think I said that wrong, Starmie, code card, Go-Go, Swoobat, Frogator, the Meloetta Hollow, the let me know how to say it, Zorola, Chespin, Rufflet, Woobat, Go-Card, Curlia, Starmie, Seaking, Raichu, Piplup, Snubbull, Magnemite, Pikachu, Noibat, and then Cubone. So can we hit that like button and get 10 likes this episode? That'd be great. I'll see you all guys in the next video.